The Magic Bag. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Kim. She lived with her grandmother. They lived in a small hut in a village. They were very poor. Sometimes they did not even have money to buy food. Kim would drink some water and go to bed. Kim went to a school in the village. She did not have any toys. She did not have pretty clothes to wear. This made her grandmother sad. But Kim smiled all the time. She was a good girl. One day, when Kim was walking home from school, she saw a man. He looked funny. His beard was very long. He kept falling over. The funny man was looking for something. The other children laughed at him, but Kim did not. After the children went home, Kim walked up to the man. She asked him what he was looking for. He told her that he was looking for a ring. She started to help him look for the ring. They looked here and there and everywhere. After some time, she found his ring. He was very happy. He gave her a small red bag. Kim thanked the man for the present and ran home. There was nothing to eat at home that day. Kim was very hungry, but she did not say anything. She saw the bag. It looked empty. She put her hand inside and felt something. She pulled out a cookie. Kim did not eat the cookie. She broke it and gave half to her grandmother. She put her hand in the bag again. Out came an apple. After that, she pulled out a loaf of bread and some cheese. Once again, she shared it with her grandmother. Every time she put her hand into the bag, she pulled out something different to eat. She told her grandmother about the funny old man. Kim and grandmother never went to bed hungry again. They lived happily ever after with the magic bag that the old man had given Kim.